Good evening. I'm Clarice Tinsley. There are new questions tonight about the trucking company whose driver says he fell asleep at the wheel. The crash involving 7 vehicles last month killed 5 people and injured 5 more. Fox 4's Lori Brown is live with developments. Lori.
Clarice, one attorney says a trucking company is responsible for the horrific, deadly crash, and he says the company should no longer be trusted to haul products along U.S. freeways.
Travel on I-20, leaving Dallas, it's really scary. You know, could have been my family, could have been anybody else's family.
June 28th at 2:40 in the afternoon, 5 people lost their lives in this crash with a semi-trailer and 6 other cars. In one car, 4 members of the McKellar family perished: a grandfather, mother, father, and son. The child's 20-year-old sister suffered severe injuries. In another car, a 49-year-old woman died. It happened 4 miles west of Terrell in Kaufman County. The driver, 27-year-old Alexis Osmani of Kissimmee, Florida, survived. He told police he fell asleep at the wheel. Investigators say there were no signs he ever touched the brakes.
The fact that he told the police that he fell asleep is the first and biggest red flag.
Attorney John Nohinek represents the father of the woman who was killed. The father's granddaughter is the young woman who lost her family.
My client's granddaughter, who suffered such severe injuries, she's got a lifetime of care that somebody needs to be responsible for.
Osmani is charged with 5 counts of manslaughter, along with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Both Texas DPS and federal safety officials have opened investigations. Nohinek learned the trucking company, Hope Trans, was hauling mail for the U.S. Post Office.
The United States Post Office has certain standards for the carriers. Hope Trans didn't meet those standards.
Steve Bryan is the CEO of Blue Wire, a technology data analytics company specializing in the trucking industry.
We score their crash activity, their violation activity, driver out of service. We look at their compliance filings to see if they're accurate and timely. In this case, this company was starting to demonstrate a rapid increase in the number of those serious events.
Do there need to be changes in the law to keep bad operators off the road?
Well, you know what there needs to be, Lori, is enforcement of the regulations we have.
Bryan says the U.S. needs to enforce trucking violations like it regulates air travel.
If any of this nonsense was happening in air travel, we would all revolt. We would not stand for it. But somehow trucking gets away with it.
Friday, USPS told us in a statement, Postal Service contractors are required to comply with all applicable state and federal laws. The Postal Service is aware of the accident, which is the subject of an ongoing investigation. We cannot comment further at this time.
This is just a bad company that hopefully we can get off the roads.
Nohinek has not yet filed a lawsuit in the case. The driver is still in the Kaufman County Jail. The case has not yet been presented to the grand jury. Clarice.
Lori, thank you.